Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and welcome to our channel today. I appreciate y'all being here. And if you're new to the channel, if you're finding us that very first time, welcome as well. It's great to have you. And our topic for you today, it's how to deal with an angry customer. Okay, how to deal with an angry customer. Now, before we get into our topic here today, just a quick reminder, my focus, my mission here in the channel is I want to be able to provide as much information as I can to as many people as I can across the globe. And the best way I can do that is when you choose to subscribe to the channel. So if you've not yet done so, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. And then to learn more about me, learn more about my company, and how we can help take your business to that next level, be sure to check out the links below. In the description box. And then again, for you folks who are looking to open a new gym and you need funding, you're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding, you have an existing operation, you might need working capital. We can help provide funding options for between $50,000 and $500,000 in funding that is unsecured. There's no restrictions on use, and the basic qualification for that program, it's a 680 credit score or better in all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, and then a minimum income of $50,000 per year, each of the two previous years. Check out the links below under funding and financing options for additional information on that program, as well as other options that we have for you. Now, with that said, let's get into our topic today. It's how to deal with an angry customer, okay? Now, I'm going to lead this off with something to think about. I know a lot of times when I'll get into a club and maybe it's a turnaround or we're doing staff training, and a lot of times there's a brand new person just getting started and they're struggling out of the gate to get leads and talk to people. One of the first things I'll recommend to them, hey, go to your manager and volunteer to handle every complaint. Volunteer to handle every complaint. Because if you do that, if you do it successfully, this is a great opportunity to upsell, to add-ons, to maybe personal training, merchandise, whatever else you might have, because satisfying that customer complaint in many ways is the highest level of service that you can provide. So if you're struggling with some of that, think about that, volunteer to handle all the complaints. And so how to deal with an angry customer, maybe not angry, but maybe they're not completely happy, right? And so number one, take full responsibility. There's little to be gained by trying to prove the customer wrong. It's no different in the membership sales. Being agreeable is the most powerful thing you can do in that sales process, in that customer service process. Mary, I understand. We should be giving you better service than that. Let's get this figured out. Mary, I understand. We should be giving you better service than that. Let's get this figured out. Take responsibility. Okay? Number two, show empathy. Just put yourself in your customer's shoes. How would you feel? We've kind of all been there, right? So have empathy, okay? Again, we're not trying to prove you right. We're not trying to go over to their side, so to speak. You're trying to satisfy the customer because A, you like to keep the customer, and B, maybe you can, get some additional revenue from it. Number three, remain calm. This is not a personal attack on you. It's in no way a personal attack. So, stay calm. Okay, you're trying to help this person. Number four, provide a solution. Now, here's where I stand on this. Provide a solution. Get a solution to this. Solve it. And I'm going to do my darndest to solve it to satisfy that customer. Everything I possibly can. Okay? And then number five, keep the conversation friendly and easy. It's almost like you're at Starbucks, having a cup of coffee. Okay, keep it conversational. You don't want it to break down into a finger pointing or argumentative or anything of that nature. And so the idea is satisfy the customer. We let off with this. Hey, I understand. We should be giving you better service than that. Let's get this figured out. And then I'm going to do my darndest to get this figured out. And then when I do, a little adjunct to that, Mary, how long have you been a member here? Okay, what were your goals when you first got started? How are you doing toward getting those goals? This might lead into, presenting maybe a higher level membership that gives more facilities. It might mean a family add-on. It might mean offering private training. But once I get it satisfied, then I'm going to go into that. So, folks, take a look at this and see if it can help take you to that next level. Not only will you have happier members, might improve your attrition, any attrition issues you might have, also might pick up an additional sale per day because of it. So, folks, again, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management and Consulting. Appreciate you being here at the channel today. And again, if you've not yet done so, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. And then for you folks who are looking to open a new gym, you need funding. You're looking to acquire a gym, you need funding. You have an existing operation, you might need working capital. We can help provide funding options for you between $50,000 and $500,000 in funding that is unsecured. There's no restrictions on use. And the basic qualification for that program, it's a 680 credit score or better in all 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and then a minimum income of $50,000 per year, each of the 2 previous years. You can check out the links below under financing and funding options for additional information on that program, as well as other programs that we have available for you. So with all that said, my name's Jim Thomas. We appreciate you being here, and we look forward to seeing you all in that next video.